Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of TLA. Last time Jared and I went crabbing in Pacifica to prepare for our first kayak crabbing seminar. We had a great time crabbing and found an unexpected surprise in our crab trap. Join me this week as the CCK fishing team hosts our first crabbing seminar in Redwood City. We had a great turnout and had a lot of fun. Here's some excerpts from the event.
Hey guys, it's TLA. This week I'm going to be at CCK in Redwood City as part of the CCK fishing team Kayak Crabbing Seminar. I'm really excited to be doing this year. This is something that has been in the works, and I really want to support CCK because they have supported me in the past with the rockboard tournaments and everything that I've been doing. This is their facility in Redwood City, and of all the places I've been to, I really enjoyed this one because it's super big, it's right on the water, and it's just a gem that really the kayak community has or has not really tapped into. So just to kind of show you inside, and they have a great patio in the back that we're going to be holding our demo in, and I'm going to show you guys that later. So stay tuned, and I will be right back. Redwood City, and I want to introduce you guys to all the team here, and we all know definitely what we're doing. So to try to teach you guys how to get into kayak fishing and do it safely, and each one of us have our own specialties. I mean, Javi is a big dino guy here, professional. Halibut over here, so each one of us have our own little specialties. But you guys want to say a few things?
Come join us. Come to the store. We'll teach you stuff.
Hopefully you didn't miss out. You guys are here at CCK. Come check us out. We'll be fishing soon.
Yeah, come by, check it out.
Well, we have today, guys. So we're definitely going to be holding a lot more events throughout this year, and to share our love of the kayak fishing community with everybody. And
Haven't kayaked before. That all varies. Just drop it here again. You get your GPS and you can mark your spot. So if you don't have a fish finder, there's a Gaia app, and it's pretty good. You can mark. I think you can mark up to like 30 spots. And then, because sometimes it gets really foggy out there, and you'll lose direction. Even if you know where you're at, you'll see a rock.
With the commercials being out, it's going to thin out the population, but crab are still available. They are still out there. You're just going to get more of a challenge because you got guys from the
so he smells something, right? As the tide is moving, the tide is pushing the scent out here. He's like making his way. Now let's go dig into the trap here. The trap, most of the traps that you're gonna see here, they have to have an opening for it to dig in, right? So he gets in here, smell. Good. So that's why I said.
Sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Don't blame you if the oil comes out bad. Not my fault. Here is what I use. Okay, it's just a roasted seaweed. Any Asian restaurant will do. At first, when I started doing it, I did the whole rope, which is way too much. You don't want to do a whole. You just want to cut it in half. Okay, so there you go. So this is basically sushi grade rice, about a ball or so. So I make a ball like that. Okay, I take that. So I put the thing on the bottom here like this. Grab a ball, take it inside. It's in the middle of it, right? And I just start pressing it on the outside. And I take some more, and I just kind of, Okay, so I usually do an in and out roll. So what I mean is like I flip this around like this, and then so here is when you can take the crab. These are your. So this, they're not gonna in the regular stores. They're not gonna have this type of crab, right? For your California rolls, they're gonna have imitation crab. So you're gonna see that more. So that's why I made it.
This next section, I'm going to teach you guys how to clean a crab the TLA way. So, if you guys enjoy these videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on new videos and content. And without ado, let's get started.
So, top of the crab, right? So, this is where you're talking about the crab butter, right? Here's the butter. Like that's what they're not fucking eating. So you want to take this out. At this point, what you want to do with the crab is you want to clean that out. And you want to crack it in half. Okay? Alright. Now, this is what I'm going to show you guys, okay? Let me see if I can find it on this side. Fresh ones are a lot easier. Okay. Come here. On a crab, there's a lines. You see these lines? These like abdominal lines. You see that?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright. That's where you want to cut. At the abdominal line, it's going to crack like this. See that?
Show these guys over here.
On top here, all you have to do is pull it like this, and the whole thing falls out.
Oh, wow.
Did that look easy? Here, look at that. Is there anything around there?
That's great.
You twist it.
Alright, and then what you do is just go boom. Alright, so that's the first thing, right? That's how you get the abdominal meat out. Now, you want to get the leg meat out. Now, the leg meat is attached to, the meat is held by these things here. It's like the bone, I would say, right? So, if you get these out, the meat would just fall out. But if you don't get these out, they attach to it, and then everything just falls out. So, what you want to do is take that and just regular snap in. Pop that, and then you can just pull.
Beautiful. When I'm lucky, that.